a mower tractor. Ready. First, let's fuel the mower tractor. Press the pump. Press the pump, that's all. Let's sample the soil for nutrients. Drag the pistons to the empty slots. Keep it up. We need to assemble a fertilizer sprayer truck. Drag the part to the right place. Keep up the good work. First, let's fuel the fertilizer sprayer truck. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Tap on the forward button to continue moving. Collect all plants to complete the level. Tap on the forward button to continue moving. Tap on the forward button for the vehicle to move. Hooray! Here we are! Let's apply mineral fertilizer into the soil.